Hello everyone. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a really quick beet salad. I want to show you how to make this beet salad because beets are so healthy. They're really good for our detoxification organs, especially liver. They help the liver support the body to flush out all the toxins. So we need to love beets. And for anyone who is really curious about this, beets are also aphrodisiac. So I'll leave you with that. Now we're gonna make this beet salad really quick. It's really easy to make. We're using boiled beets. I'm going to add, my beets were really small, so I have about 4 tiny beets in here, but if you have bigger ones, I think 1 would be enough. So we're gonna add the boiled beets. I chopped them up into our bowl. And in there, this is a very versatile salad, so you can add anything you want to it. I'm going to add today some freshly chopped green onions, okay? You can also use red onions or white onions, anything you'd like. I love putting lots of onions in this salad. I'm also going to add freshly chopped cilantro. You can also use parsley or dill. It will work well. Cilantro is also another, I want to call it a superfood because it binds to toxins, to heavy metals, and removes it from the body. So it's really good to have cilantro in your daily cooking, okay? So we got the cilantro in there. Let's mix it up a little bit. Now, seasoning, it's up to you. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper and of course, sea salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt today. There we go. And then we want to add our additional things. So the additional things, I'm going to use some walnuts and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are good for the skin. They're also good for purifying the blood. So it's really good to have these because if you have a cleaner blood, you have a more glowing skin. So that's the link there. And of course, walnuts, I mean, these are omega-3s. We don't get enough omega-3s in our diet, so if you can add them through walnuts, through omega-3 foods such as fish, salmon, nuts and seeds in general, do it, okay? So we got those, and I'm going to add some goat cheese. Now here I have goat feta. You can also use creamy goat cheese and then create like a goat cheese sauce and pour it on top. But today I have crumbled feta goat cheese, so I'm just gonna crumble it in there. This looks so beautiful, guys. I need my towel. And the final ingredient here, it looks like this right now. The final ingredient, of course, is olive oil. I always go with pure extra virgin olive oil. Delicious, delicious. Olive oil, you know, if olive oil has a little bit of bitterness, that means it's good. Real good olive oil should have a bit of bitterness, should have a bit of that kick, okay? And our salad, guys, is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Now you can have it as a side, you can have it as on its own, whatever you'd like, but this is a salad and we're ready. Done, literally. How long did it take us? 5 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make it at home. Let me know. Snap a picture. Post it on Facebook or Instagram on Bare Holistics. Tag me. I love seeing what you guys create because I love to support you with everything you do for your health and wellness. Stay tuned for next week and I will see you later. Bye.